What is the Popeyes?
Add a dip for 89.
It's the AI. I hate it when they do that. They don't even, there's no humanity in humanity no more.
Can I get 1,000,000 chicken sandwiches, please?
Million? Dude, we ain't gonna finish that today. She ain't gonna log that.
Hold on, I'm getting you a team member.
Oh, no.
Oh, oh, no, actually, I kind of liked it. I don't want you, man. A team player's gonna come and sort me 1,000,000 nuggets. Is he fucked? They definitely ain't even got 1,000,000 in there. Yo, bro, cancel that 1,000,000, yeah?
Should we go round?
Yeah, chat to him. Oh, I bloody hate dinner time. Why is no one anywhere? You know, the whole reason I didn't go in is because of this problem. Everything's AI. And even out here.
Why is that stuck on?
Duct tape, innit? I duct tape the camera to the thing.
It stayed on this whole time.
Yeah, but I got a bloody YouTube account out of it.
They tried to charge me for 1,000,000 chicken, but
That's about 7 mil. You think I got 7 mil pounds cash to rise right now, bro?
do I need to turn the music off?
There you go.
Yeah, what? Because she's Muslim?
No, because she's Muslim, bro.
Yeah, you gotta. Yeah. I'm feeling it, you know. Oh, where's this tune? How comes it don't work in Gear 3?
I'm gonna use Bluetooth now, it's pissing me off.
What was you using before? Yellow tooth. They used to tell me that there's a volcano mountain in America called the Yellow Bridge and it's gonna blow up in 2 years. But this must have been 10 years ago, they told me that. And it's not blown up. And they said when it blows, you're gonna die, mate. You're gonna be finished. It goes to show you shouldn't listen to what the media's pushing out there. No, but when it stops raining, it's always night time. And there's no point doing B-road in the night time because then you can't see anything in it. So that's why it's always a bit gloomy on my YouTube account. But don't worry, you got my nice voice. The handle's alright, you know.
That's one thing I've noticed about this car.
It's just a shame about the weather though, innit? I actually can't believe it's not stopping though. Bloody bistec. Give a first-hand review of what it is to experience a YouTube video being produced with me.
First-hand review?
Does it feel like quite a professional process?
You probably got the most unprofessional setup I've ever seen.
Are you skunked? What's unprofessional about me?
Duct tape on your head, bro.
I'll duct tape your head in a minute.
Like, you need a camera crew, bro.
I don't want to roll with the
budget
crew.
up.
Rasta Mouse and the Easy Crew. Did you watch that, Rasta Mouse? They used to skate about. He had skateboards. It's got a very long rev range, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Like, you can do a lot in one gear.
Second gear, you can get to 60.
It's popping now, boy. This is good, you know. Wouldn't say it handles as good as the Fiesta. I do think the Fiesta's a bit more, you know, to chuck about. But at this speed, it kind of just feels the same as one. That's a weird place to pull in. Why is he indicating to move up? What a beg. Undie?
We got Peugeot undies, bro. Okay.
What are they doing there? They're actually in their undies, bro, chilling in the middle of nowhere. This is my little test track. Everything's been here, bruv. We've bought everything here. Everything with 4 wheels has been here. We've broke down here.
Cooler, bro. Cooler and oil's leaking on it. Probably on its way out again, I can't lie.
No, but it's handling this very nicely. I would say this is not, it's only on 84k, you know, 84,000 miles. It's better than an M3. I don't think I would get an M3 now that I've driven this. I bought it off her, but I just kept it in her name. Right, come on, mate. We shouldn't be talking about what you reckon to my Christmas content. Christmas. We haven't even got nothing about this is Christmas. I reckon we whack some decorations up for the remainder of this video, innit? See what I mean? It's nimble, innit?
Nice sounding, isn't it?
Ooh.
Is he 60 at gear 2?
Yeah, nah. Gear ratios are so massive, ain't it? Torque monster, mate. It's a sleeper though. 1.2.
You know
And by sleeper I mean it's asleep.
You know what I was thinking about putting a VXR engine in this at one point.
It sounds like one already. I reckon just get the exhaust and the badge.
200 brake. Oh my god. Paying for my fuel as well, yeah?
Yeah. Nah, I'm being fuel efficient.
I've just seen you lose 5 miles in 30 seconds, bro.
No, because that's obviously the thing is gotta go down, innit? Bro, that was 5 miles. What are you on about? Time flies when you're having fun, bro. It's about the smiles per gallon, man, not the miles. this is normal. This is normal driving now.
Gone down to number 3, bro.
Well, just stop looking, bro. Look forward, enjoy the ride, bro. Who goes to the theme park and just looks at the safety harness the whole time?
You're a man with wise words, you know that? Has anyone ever told you that?
Trust me, bro. People don't take in what I'm saying. But in a couple of years now, they'll be quoting what I'm saying with little verse numbers next to it.
It's 218.
Come on, cuz. 218D. 218D, the car that got me a fine for drifting. And I was in shock. I was like, you can drift to 218D. We're big on health and safety on my YouTube. We're very big on it. We can't stress it enough. The thing is, my driving is very focused on, it's community focused. We consider everyone, what the viewers will think, what the car behind us will think, what the passenger will think, and we like to equalize in our aspectology, and we take in big consideration of how we're driving to the road conditions, weather conditions. We take, you name it, we take it in. We take anything in.
It's very considerate, you know.
Yeah. This is all for the people, bro. Don't for a second think this is for me. This is all for the people. This is not about me. You know what I mean? To be safe around here, you keep it in 2, you brake, because everyone's going to be on your side of the road. They don't know what's going on, okay? But you shouldn't let that get to you, okay? You just need to respect it. Again, bit of brake, bit of throttle, ease off the brake, ease on the throttle, and then foot to the floor, off, bit of brake. You gotta brake early because of the conditions we're in.
Oh, look at that funnel.
Just a bit of shine. Now you can get some air here. I'm not trying to get air today, so we're just gonna do it quite normal.
You're trying to scare me, innit?
No, this is good driving, bro.
That's good driving, man.
This is how you're meant to drive.
Hope my employer doesn't see this video.
Same. But don't worry. Nah, this isn't nothing to get you unemployed over. This is a spirited drive that you're enjoying. Nah, but you got to admit one thing though to the viewers. Don't you think that this on camera it looks quicker than it is?
Yeah.
That's because it's a fisheye, innit? You need to remember that it is genuinely, like, we're doing national speed limit, and I'm not even being sarcastic, like we actually are, innit?
You're clickbaiting people.
I'm not even clickbaiting though, am I? Well, I'm trying to make it visually, that's my thing, entertainment, innit? But that's my main number one thing before anything. So I just feel like a fisheye lens will make it look quicker, and then it's just better to look at, innit? It's just better to watch. Why would I want it to look, if you zoom in on my video, this is what I'm actually seeing, it don't look as quick, you know what I mean? So as long as the viewers are happy, and I mean, it's not like it's slow driving, it's just not really the quickest in the world. Because we also don't have the quickest cars in the world. Dum dee dee dum dee dee doo doo. LV, what was it? LV, Louis Vuitton.
Yeah.
Does that Louis Vuitton ad?
Yeah, for Louis Vuitton, yeah.
Was that actually? Oh, I think it took me all these years to clock that. That was a Louis Vuitton. Oh, that makes sense, innit? Dum dee dee dum dee dee doo, Louis Vuitton. Wasn't it? Oh, that's the same car as what I'm in.
Yeah, racing.
But you're oh, he's backed out. As soon as he heard racing, he's off a little. He's off to get a Christmas tree. Yeah. Looks like the BM behind us wants to play. I am racing, mate. Just give me a minute. Oh, I can't get rid of that beamer, man. Me trying my bloody hardest.
It's like a fucking circuit, man.
How about that, mate? Hell, man, we've got no bloody chance. Yeah, it's coming.
It's coming.
Bro, is that actually a policeman? Is he going to pull me over and ask for my IBAN and Swift or what?
Should I fit a turbo in?
Nah, don't bother, just get a new car. Sounds nice though. There's not many of these little cars that have a nice little ring to them. It's coming.
It's coming back.
have a feel like he's not trying, no. You know, we actually are gapping him on the straights. It's on the corners he's getting us, man. I ain't risking it. It's too rainy. Our car's not the most capable.
I'm turned away.
Yeah. He got scared, man. He got scared. Hooks, man. Hooking these little. Hope you enjoyed that little Christmas special. Not a Christmas special, just another one, innit? All the videos are the same, bro. I hope you enjoyed it. Right, bye bye.